called me out upon the waters, the crater unknown, where feet may fail, and there I find you in.
We have your motherboard, Z390.
Yeah.
DDR4, of course, is where your CPU goes. This is just a protective layer.
Okay.
It's just the plastic. To protect it, you have your two PCIEs, which you'll probably only use one unless at some point you want to do SLI, which is one super expensive, and it's reinforced.
I've been watching a Pugwater video, so yeah.
Have you seen the reinforced RAM slots?
No, they make those
They
too?
make those too.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
They're not necessary. It just looks fucking bad.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, so first step, take off this plastic thing.
Okay. Then you put this thing on?
Yeah. See where it says remove? Just pop it up. Don't drop it and don't apply pressure. Just kind of lay it down gently. Make sure that those notches are in the holes.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Just like they are?
Yeah.
So now we can close it. So put down the top thing first. That one. All the way down. And now you can push that one. There you go. And lock it in. So from you and then okay. Yep. There you go.
Your grace abounds in deepest waters. Your sovereign hand will be my guide.
Awesome. That's actually really cool. I've never seen it. Here you go. Put it somewhere safe, sir. Do you want to put it in? No, do it.
Okay, go.
Alright, babe. Here we go. What are we doing?
You gotta go. Oh!
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Do I go fast? Or
Yeah,
slow?
you want to go a little faster.
God, oh,
Yeah.
fuck. Oh my god.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I'm sweating just doing this. Oh my god. Look at that part right there. Oh shit. Look at that one. God. That is fucking beautiful.
Cue background music.
Thanks, Nancy.
Yeah!